Hi, welcome to my channel. The 426th Street Hemi was only produced and factory installed from 1966 to 1971, which is just 6 short model years. At that time, a shockingly low number of vehicles left the factory floor with a Hemi engine. Everyone agrees it is a rare engine option, but opinions vary on how elusive the 426 really is. Almost every source will cite an estimate of around 10,000 total 426 Hemi engines being produced, and the reason for that is that there is no handy online database with the official numbers.